Hi, this is Chef Brad with the Wondermill Wondermix Company, and I'm going to show you a quick way how to make whole grain gravy. A lot of times we think we have to use white flour in our gravy. That's a total misconception out there. So, whether it's gluten-free or WonderFlour, you know our recipes for gluten-free flour or WonderFlour. It's pretty simple. A little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil in there. So it's about 2 tablespoons of each. And we're going to get that hot, and then we're going to put in about a half a cup of flour. And we're just going to toast the flour. And this one is the gluten-free version that we do. 3 grains or more. And we're going to toast that flour up. And this works for any gravy. If you're doing whatever kind of gravy you want, this works perfectly. And the added bonus is you're going to get the flavor of the grains, the nuttiness of the grains, and all the fiber that you don't get with white flour. So once that's toasted, oh my goodness, I can smell that toastiness of those grains coming up. It smells really good. And then you can just take whatever liquid you want to use. If you're doing a milk gravy, add milk. If you're doing a vegetable gravy, whatever you want to do, I'm going to use some chicken broth in this one. So I'm just going to pour chicken broth in. And you can see how it's nice and thick down there. And I'm just going to add chicken broth till I get the consistency of a nice gravy. Whisk it around and make sure you add your salt and pepper. And just like that, we have a gluten-free or white flour-free gravy that will top whatever you want to do with it. That is amazing. It's also a great way, this flour, gluten-free, WonderFlour is a great way to thicken soups or other sauces. I use it in my Alfredo sauce. If I want to thicken a soup and make it nice and thick, if I'm going to do like a red chili or green chili, this is what I'm going to use. It's gluten-free or wheat-free and healthy and delicious. Another simple tip from the Wondermill Wondermix family and Chef Brad.